Developing tonight, the Iowa Supreme Court has dismissed 3 cases involving a 1950s fertility doctor allegedly impregnating his own patients. KWWL's Emily Moss joins us live now from the newsroom with more on these very unusual lawsuits. Emily.
Elizabeth, in total 6 kids from 3 different families filed lawsuits against the state of Iowa. Now in their 60s, they discovered they shared a father through Ancestry.com, and that father was their parents' former fertility doctor, Dr. John Randall, from the 1950s at the University of Iowa, even serving as the head of the department until his death in 1959. The first child was born in 1943 and another in 1948, while Dr. Randall was a state doctor at the OBGYN department. During his time as head of the department, he allegedly fathered children with his patients from 1954, 56, and then 2 more in 1958. All of the children grew up assuming that the father they grew up with was their father. After they found out otherwise, they began researching ways to take action against the university and state. In 2022, the state legislature passed a law creating civil and criminal liability for cases like these after several came to light on a national level. The families used it to sue the state, arguing that their parents did not consent to the doctor's sperm. However, today, the Iowa Supreme Court said it could not be used for past cases, only future ones. They also state the difference in medical law between then and now, arguing that written informed consent was not required in the 50s, so the state cannot be held liable for a document that did not exist at that time. Earlier today, I reached out to the lawyers for these families, and I have not heard back yet. Elizabeth, Luke?
All right, quite a case. Thanks, Emily.